Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Green Cross Chronicles. Today we are diving into the exciting world of ethical hacking. So, what is ethical hacking? Simply put, it's legally breaking into systems to find and fix security gaps before the bad guys do. Now, why do we need ethical hacking? The key objectives are identifying security vulnerabilities, preventing cyber attacks, protecting sensitive data, and ensuring compliance with security standards. Let's talk about the phases of ethical hacking. First, there's reconnaissance. This is all about gathering information on the target. Then comes scanning, where you identify live systems and open ports. After that, you gain access to test defenses, maintain access to simulate real-world attacks, and finally, analyze and report your findings. There are different types of ethical hacking too. Web application hacking, network hacking, wireless network hacking, social engineering, and mobile application hacking. Each one requires a unique approach and set of skills. Speaking of skills, an ethical hacker needs solid networking knowledge, programming skills, familiarity with operating systems, knowledge of security frameworks, and great problem-solving abilities. Now let's talk certifications. Some popular ones are Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, CompTIA Pentest Plus, and GIAC Penetration Tester, GPN. These certifications can boost your career in cybersecurity. What are the advantages of ethical hacking? It improves security posture, protects sensitive information, prepares for compliance audits, and builds customer trust. But it also has challenges like constantly evolving threats, legal boundaries, and high responsibility. So what's the future of ethical hacking? Think AI-powered security testing, cloud security testing, IoT and embedded system security, and automation in penetration testing. Friends, ethical hacking is crucial for securing our digital world. By identifying vulnerabilities, ethical hackers help organizations stay ahead of cybercriminals. As technology evolves, so does the need for ethical hacking. It's a vital component of cybersecurity. That's it for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Stay safe and keep exploring. Bye.